I remember when you told Mom and Dad that you wanted to go to sleepaway camp.
This will be a little different.
Time travel. I can't believe we're talking about it like it's something real.
I know.
I think you should go.
Laurel, I died. I'm still picking up those pieces. The Lazarus pit brought me back, but it left me with this need to take, to kill. I'm dangerous.
After you died, I needed a channel for my grief. I found it in becoming the Black Canary. I found it in you.
For me, being the canary was never that positive.
Then don't be the canary. Do what Oliver's been doing. Do what this Rip Hunter is offering you the chance to do, and be a hero in the light. Be the white canary.
Where did you get this?
I have a resourceful friend named Cisco.
Where's the mask?
You don't need it anymore. We've lived in the shadows long enough.